Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Radiator cover Raider 150 Fi. Firstly, park your motorcycle and allow the engine to cool down completely. Locate the radiator at the front of the engine. If necessary, remove any existing covers. Align the new radiator cover over the radiator to ensure proper fitment and check all that mounting holes in the cover align with the corresponding points on the motorcycle frame. Attach the cover using provided screws or bolts and tighten each fastener evenly, ensuring the cover is securely mounted without over-tightening, which could damage the component. Just wipe down the radiator cover with a soft cloth to remove fingerprints or smudges and double-check all attachments to confirm the cover is firmly in place and doesn't interfere with any moving parts. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.